Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. So, I welcome you again in the session of class 4th, subject English reasoning. And today, my topic is logical arrangement. I will re-continue this topic again, that is logical arrangement, and this is my lecture 2. So let's continue. My contents in this lecture will be, I will recall the definition, then explain few more sentences, then I will discuss homework solution with you, and then I will assign the homework to you regarding this particular topic only, that is logical arrangement. I hope you understood. Now let's begin. Now let's recall the definition. Logical arrangement is the meaningful arrangement of words in accordance with the rules of English grammar. So in this, we will arrange the words into sentence according to the English grammar rules. Now I am going to tell you few things which you have to keep in mind while arranging these sentences. Things which you have to keep in mind are that you have to keep in mind that your first letter should be capital, that is capital letter should be used. Then punctuation mark should be used accordingly, like full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark, and so on. And the logical arrangement you make with the help of word should be meaningful. It should be meaningful. Few more grammar rules you have to focus, like subject, verb plus object. In this manner you have to arrange the sentence, and the sentence which are begin with WH family, there you will use question mark, and so on. So now let's discuss few more logical arrangements. Now let's start the first sentence. The few words are given. Boys, the brave drowning saved the 2143. They see 2, the brave boys saved the drowning dog. So in this manner our first option is correct. So we will tick the first option and we will write the sentence over here. The sentence is, the brave boys saved the drowning dog, and full stop will come. So in this manner you have to write the sentence, and you have to do in the same manner in your notebook. Now the second one, the drank hungry cat the milk. So let's start. 4132. 41, the milk the, no, it cannot be the order. 32, hungry cat drank the milk the, no, this is also wrong. Now first 1324. 1, the hungry cat drank the milk. Now this is the correct order. So we will tick this and we will write the sentence over here. So the sentence will be, the hungry cat drank the milk, and full stop will come. So I hope you understood, and in this way you have to do these sentences in your notebook. Now let's discuss the next one. Are what doing you? So A part 1324. 1, are doing what for? What you? No, it is not correct. Now let's check B part 21432. What are you doing? So second part is correct. We will tick over here and write the answer of it. What are you doing? And question mark will come because it belongs to WH family. So it is a interrogative sentence. So here question mark will come. I hope you understood. Now let's discuss the next one. Now let's discuss the fourth one. Grammar books do you English read? See 4-3. 4-3. English do you? No. It cannot have any meaning. 2-3. Books do you read? In grammar? No, it's not a have a meaning. 3-5-4. 3. Do you? 5. Read English? No. Now next we will discuss the next one. 3-5-4-1-2. So 3-4-5-4-1-2 is do you read English grammar books? Question mark will come because it is a question. Do you read English? Do you read English grammar? And last word is books. And in the last question mark will come. I hope you understood. Do you read English grammar books? Now let's discuss the homework solution of the previous lecture. Again, we have to discuss these sentences. Them met last night we. So our correct answer will be we met them last night. We met them last night. So we will tick over here and you are supposed to write this answer. We met them last night. We met them last night. In this manner you have to write in your notebook also. So next is Indian well team played very the. So our answer will be the Indian team played very well. So C part is correct. We will tick over here and we will write the answer. The Indian team played very well and in the end full stop will come. I hope you understood. Now the third one. Now the third answer is we take rest for 1 hour. So first part is correct. We take rest for 1 hour and last full stop will come. Now let's discuss the fourth part. So in the fourth part, year they met us last. So our answer will be they met us last year. They met us last year. So we will take C part and our answer will be they met us last year and full stop will become because this is a statement. I hope you understood. Now let me assign you the homework. So today also I will assign the homework in the form of assignment and I will send this assignment on the EdQuark, or you can say I will upload this assignment on the EdQuark and you have to send on my ID, that is Deepthi West Academy 9@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a good day.